How many times have you said, I'll start on Monday? Well, what do you really need? Motivation? Or might it actually be convenience? I'm Melissa with WTI, and this very versatile treadmill by Snailcle gave me less reason to make excuses and more reasons to move. It's lightweight and perfect for small spaces. If you have a spot in mind, put a beach towel down, it's about the same size. It's compact and light enough to store away and super versatile. You can use it as a walking board with remote, or you can use it with a bar for support and keep yourself entertained with a place for your device. It's sturdy, and I got it up to 5.5 speed, and I was really impressed. It will go faster, and eventually I will too. The running belt is thick and durable, and even though it's compact, the belt is not small. It's spacious, and my long-legged sister-in-law came over to use it, and she had no issues. She's 5'9" and has a really long stride. She was really impressed too because of how affordable it is. It counts steps, calories burned, and distance, and it has different modes. I know this isn't going to disappoint. It gives me more motivation and less excuses not to use it, and that's my point of view.